Is solving problems always the best strategy for maximizing your profits? Most economists will tell you that humans are on a constant, never-ending quest to improve their lives. As soon as they buy a product, they want another one. As soon as they are comfortable, they find something else they'd like to change. Perhaps this is the reason behind all human advancement is a constant desire to improve our conditions, but this can be a double-edged sword. There's two things that motivate us to action. One is by moving away from pain. The other is moving toward pleasure. Sometimes these are one and the same. Think of hunger, for example. Being hungry is painful. It clouds your thinking, and it's nearly impossible to think logically when you've got a big hole in your gut screaming for attention. If we only ate to remove pain, we'd stop eating as soon as that screaming hole was filled. But you know as well as I do that's next to impossible. That's because eating feels really good. Even if we aren't hungry, or even thinking about food, walking past a bakery or fast food shop can be a huge test of our willpower. Because eating is so vitally important to our survival, Mother Nature has given it extreme potency from both ends of the motivation scale. It simultaneously moves us away from pain, while strongly pulls us towards some incredibly rich pleasure. Most of our purchasing decisions aren't so easy. Something like insurance, for example, is only purchased to stay away from pain. Something like a nice pair of shoes, unless you don't have any, is generally moving us towards some imagined pleasure in the future. How you position your product will have a dramatic impact on how well it sells. If most people are looking for it in order to remove pain, but you've framed it to create pleasure, you won't have much luck. On the other hand, if most people think about a wonderful future when they're thinking about your product, and you're pushing it as a solution to some kind of problem, there's going to be some kind of mismatch. There's also a good chance that it's a mixture of both. The key, then, is to really understand why your customers are looking for the particular product you're selling. When you frame it in that way, you'll resonate a lot more with your customers and sell a lot more products.